Today we're going to take a can of salmon and some leftovers I have and make an amazing salad for one. I have found that this jumbo lump salmon comes with pretty much no bones. I've never had a problem with it compared to some other brands that are out there on the market. Get the salmon in the bowl here. To it we're adding about 3/4 of a cup of celery. I have 2 green onions here that we're going to go ahead and use up for about 1/8 of a cup. The whites and part of the greens. Get those into our bowl. About a tablespoon of parsley. Leftover olives here that I'm going to go ahead and chop up for about 1/8 of a cup. Of course, you can use more if you want to. You can use any kind of orange you want, little Tangelos, normal orange, blood orange, whatever. I prefer these little guys because there's not as much rind on them, so they work much better. That, they're just cute. So I'm going to throw one of them into my bowl. Then the other one I'm going to use as garnish. And I'm also going to be using part of the rind in my dressing. Give that a quick stir. Now the dressing for this is super simple. 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1.5 tablespoons of sour cream. 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon. 1/2 teaspoon of horseradish. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, a pinch of pepper, and then about 1/2 teaspoon of orange peel. You can use dried if you'd like. There we go, get that all stirred up. Grab this iceberg that I have. Get this on my plate. Get my dressing added to my salad. Get this all stirred. Garnish with our orange pieces. One salmon orange salad for one. For more salad recipes, go ahead and check out this playlist. Cooking for one is fun and delicious. And best of all, no food waste.